Patrick Findaro here, co-founder at Vetted Biz. Today I'm going to go through the Scenthound franchise, an emerging franchise concept that's also based here in South Florida that's growing pretty fast, but it's had a nice base, which you don't see with every franchise that's growing super fast. So Scenthound's been around for over 15 years under different names, where the owner of the business is still very involved and decided to franchise the business just a couple years back. So if you have a dog, if you're a dog lover, they offer a great opportunity to spend time with dogs as well as time with people all day. Scenthound specializes in essential care, wellness, grooming services for dogs. Scent stands for S, skin, C, coat, ears, E, ears, and nails and teeth, so scent. The founders of Scenthound figured the most dogs are not getting the necessary routine care that they need to stay clean and healthy and live at your house, live at your home with you and your kids. There are nearly 90 million dogs in the US, and people spend more than $123 billion a year on their pets. Scenthound is looking for candidates who are dog people and people. So you can't just like dogs, you have to also like people. You also got to have liquid capital, so basically cash or stock so you can sell off of $75,000 and a net worth of $300,000. The investment cost to get a Scent open, which they call one single Scenthound franchise location, is between $200,000 and $370,000, and this includes their $49,000 franchise fee. The royalty fee, 6%, which is pretty standard in the industry. Brand contribution. Some franchises call it brand contribution, other marketing fee 1.5, and they do require you spend a lot on local advertising, and that's a point that franchisors don't always require their franchisees to spend a lot of money on local advertising, especially in the first few months or year of the franchise. But across the board, it has proven successful for most franchise business models that you really have to spend a lot on marketing to get that business and your routine clients going. The first franchise only opened in December 14 of 2020, but since then there are currently 21 in operation, as well as they have 6 affiliate-owned units. The average 3-month gross revenue for franchise units is $97,000. This is from this year, so January 1 to March 31st, 2022. And it's pretty similar for the affiliate-owned units of $109,000, which is a good sign. It shows that the system's replicable and it doesn't depend on the co-founder owner of Scenthound. Based on the average sales provided by Scenthound franchise locations and at an average profit margin of 20%, it will take around 4 years to recoup your initial investment. So you should be getting about $80,000 per location, and it's probably a business that you want to have multiple locations, and we're going to go into why you should have multiple locations of Scenthound if you're thinking about getting into this franchise opportunity. So that $80,000 could be $60K, could be $100K, $120K. It's going to depend on you as an operator, how involved, how many hours you're allocating to the business, as well as the location. So again, you can expect an ROI of about 4 years. When you go to sell that one Scenthound on a multiple of 0.55 sales on that $390,000 annualized figure, it would sell for $214,000, and that's lower than the midpoint of $285,000. So that's something to keep in mind. Now, if you had 3 Scenthounds that had $1.17 million in revenue across those 3 units, you could sell that multi-unit package for over $1 million. So you could net 100, 200K on that sell of multiple locations. But if you just have one location, you might not get your money back, especially if you invested closer to the high end of $370,000. So if you're just looking to open up one Scenthound franchise, try to invest as low as possible, as you want to be able to get your money back if you're investing in a franchise and not get less than you invested in the franchise. So it seems like the key for this brand is more than one location. If you're just opening one Scent, it's probably not worth it unless it's less about the money and more about the lifestyle and working in a business that you can be around pets all day. I hope you found this episode informational. Shoot me an email at patrick@vettedbiz.com if you have any other franchises you'd like us to review. Thanks.